Hello beautiful people, DALINA here. Guys, it has been a while since I last used my personal YouTube channel, but here I am and I'm here to stay. So guys, well, I have a lot of things I'm going to be doing in this video, but before I tell you about the main thing I'm going to be doing in this video, I'm going to be stalking somebody. Basically, I'm going to be following around that person. But as you can see, you could have said, yeah, Kigali Uncovered. And guys, if you haven't checked our recent video, please go check it out. It's with Nadej, and there's a new video coming up soon. And actually, I'm about to shoot another video right now with a very funny wink guest. So guys, make sure to click on the subscribe button, kuri Udu Stars, because that's where everything happens at Kigali Uncovered, and also mine, guys. Hey, give me some love, DALINA's back. And guys, yeah, so I'm about to shoot, yeah, so come with me on this journey, like shooting. I think it's around 4 and I'm about to go meet the other celebrity I told you about, but before we do that, very useful information. Also, I recently bought an Airtel SIM card. The reason being, they offer amazing bundles, guys. Unlimited calls and unlimited SMS. And guys, you can also call Yabari MTN, Yabari Airtel. It goes both ways. It's still unlimited. So I bought the one combo pack, and it offers 30 GB. So guys, unlimited calls and unlimited SMS. Kandi yashiri your bundle, which lasts for a month. Yashira, you can buy indie bundle yinyongera actually, and you mega yinyongera 200 offering 1 GB. Yeah, so guys, make sure to get your iSIM or SIM cards, Airtel, and get these amazing bundles, guys. So anyway, so hello beautiful people, muko mubibona umuntu ndari nabemeye ekuzana kuri channel yanje as before ngo bamwitande akamubwiza ukuri nabo ndi kureba ko niyo kwambara marinette ko tiyo kwa download this one it's okay so one yes na mwere guys muzingi twaturi gukina. So my people, as we turn bless up kandi mutwihanganire, it's at night, hopefully muri kutubona neza. Natinze twese twatinze nkuko mubibona. Hari impamvu twatinze. First of all, him nkuko muri kubibona, murebe hairstyle yiwe, guys. It's not easy. Tutagonga. So guys, a day in the life of Chris Eazy. We need a night in the life of Chris Eazy. A day and night in the akose wambabariye tugiye muri studio ukuntu nyine creativity ya Chris ikora, ariko before that reka turi kuvibinga ku ndirimbo. Yeah man ubu iyambere gonna vibe this song. Yes, akana kamere, guys. It's a take it or leave it song. Gusa our OG barakazi. Kubakazi, you guys are OGs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, muri wa mwanya wo kwasusa. Shout out to Filemo, although yapfuye, but ndirimbo kabisa. Shout out to his family. Shout out to his family. Zirikana yuko isi yacu yameza meyo atubona sibyo bya kera biraturya turyamano twarumiwe
zirikana ntabwo si iryo banga ry'umukunzi ntabwo babazwe wo kumutegereza w'imama twabashaka
kukurya umutima
arawuriye
maze guterana ari aha
hallelujah okay, you can say hallelujah at any time.
At any time.
Okay, remember now God come.
Isi irashaje turwanya intambara z'uburyo bwinshi kubwa Nyagasani tukazitsinda
zirikana gusa iryo banga ry'umukunzi
wihangana ubabazwe no kumutegereza w'imama twabashaka kukurya umutima
abantu barya imitima wapi
zero kasi alright tugiye kubashira amakandi of course
ahubwo ugeze akavarimbi bisa n'ibintu biryoshye kabisa
urabyibuka muri ya video yacu yo kuri Kigali Uncover ko warapye.
Yes.
Come, you know motivational way of inspiration.
Ahantu na inspiration. Ubwo mvuga indirimbo nakwiyeho
inspiration
yo kuraba. Indirimbo hari indirimbo yitwa indirimbo ni yarakwiyeho inspiration undi ya mbere yo kuraba tu. Indirimbo yitwa DNA ya Kendrick Lamar. DNA
is my DNA.
Agiye no kuza mu Rwanda ugiye.
Agiye kuza mu Rwanda guys. Just buy your ticket.
Ara ni tuhabura. Because wongeza akavarime gusa akavarime. I got royalty inside my DNA. I got presence, got royalties inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got ambition, flow inside my DNA. I don't want like this, it's born like this in my holy consumption. I perform like this in my when I'm ripping out of kind of brain. I'm your pen and off your fucking head. This that proves the keys to bed. This that I got realness, I just kiss you cause it's in my DNA. I got rooting in my DNA. I got dirt, I got ego, the right inside my DNA. I got inside my DNA. I know exactly okay. I know just who you want, so use it. Picture now my style is bitches, not your DNA. Honest, I just shit inside your DNA. Sora's DNA. What?
Go fix it. This song was nice. I think it's a lot and I get disappointed.
Never does.
This guy never disappoints.
Never does. It's gonna be na kavasi.
Yeah.
Ugama DNA. Niba wumva bigombela magama. Yeah. Comments.
Hey. Yeah, that was Eazy, everybody. That was Chris.
Yeah.
He also raps. He doesn't just sing, guys.
Yeah, man.
A lead one always.
A1.
Yes, but before tujya muri studio, guys, hari indirimbo igomba kuba played. Uri kumva? Hari indirimbo igomba kuba played. Ntabwo bikwereka. As you can see.
Yeah, man.
Art, yeah. How to make art. Your music ni art, kabisa.
Okay, abantu bacu reka tusangize ko dukora art cyangwa se indirimbo kugira ngo byumve neza. Mbere yo kwikora producer araje ariko ari hanze. Mbere yo kwikora ugomba kuba ufite producer n'umuhanzi bagomba kuba bahari icyo ni cya mbere. Iyo bamaze kuhagera indirimbo mbere yo kwikora manza ukora beat.
You know? Yeah.
Yavamo ubwo niko kuvuga ko muri ndimo ngiyeho. Nyuma yaho tutadukora ama melodies. Tukunda kubita twebwe ibishinwa. Niyo ushobora kumva indirimbo tuvuga ngo inana
ese mwaje tugakina iby'abana.
Igishinwa cyayo ni melody nyine tu. Kuvuga mama sininganinga sakitakana. Noneho nyuma ugashaka amagambo ajya ama fixing.
Okay.
That's how I make my songs.
Yes.
And after that tugashaka amagambo none ajya muri ayo ma melody nyine tu. Twayabona tukabikodinga bandi kumwe na ba Junior Giti Fabulous bose abantu benshi muri studio.
Yes.
we chill tukareba indirimbo yose tukayisubiramo ejo tukagaruka uko indirimbo ntabwo ikorwa umunsi umwe ushobora gukorwa nk'amezi 3 ane 5 yes.
Which song are we going to talk about?
We're going to make a song. Indirimbo ubuyo tugiye gukora ngaha ntabwo tuyumvisha ntabwo itarasohoka ariko niyo tugiye gukora indirimbo yitwa Mana We, indirimbo ya The Cat featuring All Stars nanjye ndimo ubwo niyo tugiye gukora today with producer Prince Keys.
Shout out to him, guys. Stay tuned.
Yeah, man.
So guys, we had an amazing time with Chris Eazy, Mozoka, Maurice too. But before we end, of course. Please share with us.
Thanks, teacher. Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Yes, our YouTube channel.
Okay, anyways, thank you guys.
Of course.
Okay, sick. Thank you guys. I love you so much. I won't ever disappoint your love.
Never.
We love you so much. We appreciate everything.
Yeah.
Yes. A1
collection, guys.
2 is coming soon. Very soon. I'm coming back here in Zagreb. Right?
Yes. Go. Part 2, guys.
Thanks, man.
Part 2. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment. Chris will be getting to subscribe. Kuri KAYUMBA DALINA
Please
channel.
subscribe to KAYUMBA DALINA. We love you so much.
YouTube channel. Yes. Guys. Thank you.